Hello and welcome to Offroad Mania. Today we're going to present you how to install Jeep Cherokee Molle panels. First, fold your back seat to improve the space you're going to need for your work. Using T50 wrench, untighten the top seatbelt screw and take bracket down. Put the seatbelt bracket through the hole in top Molle bracket. Put the screw and bushing. Fix the bracket back with T50 wrench. Let it a bit loose. Untighten seat bracket screws. 2 from the back remove. Front one just make loose. Take the Molle panel previously pre-assembled with bottom brackets. Put between the belt and window. Tighten 2 rear screws of seat bracket together with front bottom Molle bracket. After you've fixed front bracket, move to the rear one. Fix it with attached Phillips screw. Now we have to come back to my favorite top bracket. With thick fingers like mine, it's not so easy. You need to put screw from the front holding nut from the back. At the end, make sure you've tightened well all the screws including seat belt bracket. Thank you and see you off the road.